Welcome to Edelweiss Lodge Ellicottville, your perfect stay in Ellicottville, New York. Whether you are here for a ski trip, leisure getaway, or family adventure, we provide a comfortable and cozy experience. Conveniently located in downtown Ellicottville, our lodge offers easy access to popular attractions such as Holiday Valley Resort, HoliMont Ski Area, and the vibrant village shops and breweries. Our guest rooms are designed for your comfort, featuring free high-speed Wi-Fi, flat-screen TVs, mini fridges, microwaves, and plush bedding. Enjoy the convenience of free on-site parking and ski storage during your stay. Whether you're visiting for winter sports at the nearby resorts, exploring Nannen Arboretum, or relaxing with local wine tastings at Winery of Ellicottville, Edelweiss Lodge Ellicottville offers a relaxing and enjoyable retreat. Book your stay today at Edelweiss Lodge Ellicottville and experience the best of Ellicottville, New York. Visit our website linked in the video description below for more details and reservations. edelweisslodge.com